Good morning, my friends. How's everybody doing out there in the YouTube world? Me? I'm doing okay. I'm heading out to meet some people, and we'll get into that after the intro. So, this is actually the road I rode on in the Chopper Fed Challenge of favorite local roads. And as you can see, it's a lot more filled in, it's a lot more lush. And like I said, they haven't repaved it yet though. They really need to repave, maybe next year. So today, I am heading out to meet up with a couple other guys. At least, I don't know exactly how many people are going to be there, but at least 3 of us are meeting up, and we're redoing Road Apple Ride. So the Road Apple Ride was a ride from last year. There was I think there was 7 or 8 of us. I don't remember exactly how many. But we rode from Valley Forge out to Shady Maple Smorgasbord, with stops along the way. We stopped at a couple different covered bridges. So we're doing things a little differently today. We are meeting at Pools Forge Bridge, I believe is what it's called. And then from there, which is a short jaunt, over to Shady Maple, and then we're going to have our smorgasbord lunch there. And then from there, we're probably going to ride somewhere. Exactly where we're going, we're not sure yet, but we'll work on that later. So yeah, so I'm going to run on out there, and I will turn the cameras back on a little later on, because it's going to take me a half hour, 40 minutes to get up there. And honestly, I ain't got shit to say for 40 minutes. So I'll be back. So we're going to take a ride over the bridge. Walt's going to meet us at Shady Maple.
Hope so. This is so pretty through here.
It surely is. Hey, stop at the end. I want to take a picture.
Okay.
It's going to be a good picture. Oh yeah, I do like those tail lights. I never actually looked at that before.
Yeah, I mean, I just prefer them to those little tiny LED things.
Right.
I mean, they are LED, but they're not, you know, itty bitty.
why I've never noticed them before. Especially in the shitty ass New Year's Eve ride.
Yeah. Well, I think you were always in front of me, weren't you?
No, I was behind you.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Because I mentioned your little fuzzy butt there.
That's right.
I mean, look at out there to the left, man. It's beautiful out there. That is like, ah, man, that's like, it's God's country out there. It's got to be spoiled by all these telephone poles and wires and everything else.
Yeah.
There's a horse and buggy right there.
Yeah, it's got a crate full of kids.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, it's pretty busy.
Yeah. That parking lot looked like, no, never mind. I was going to say the parking lot looked like it was on Wednesday, but no, never mind, it didn't. There's a car show down here too. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wonder where that is. You gonna go back to the other side?
Might as well. Bit of shade there.
Yeah.
I don't know how long it'll last.
Ah, it should last by the time we get out of here. Not that we need it like last time, but you know. This is exactly the same place we parked last time we were here.
Yep.
I think Walt took up all the shade that day.
I think he did.
Hey guys, so we're in Shady Maple right now. Gonna take you a walk around and show you exactly what they got in this smorgasbord, because it's like fucking awesome. So let's go take a walk. So over here we got a bunch of this shit. Baked potatoes, Cajun catfish, smoked beef brisket. And you come in here, this is where the hell this stuff is. You can get all your salads and stuff here. That's what I started out with. More salad fixings. This is where all the cheeseburgers and stuff like that are. I'm sorry, steak burgers. Oh, look at all this lovely goodness. This is like awesome. If you're anywhere near here and you haven't been here, you're missing out. So you come down here and this is where all the good stuff is. It's crazy here today. It's a holiday weekend. All the desserts. Oh my god. And then they have soft serve over here. Ice cream with 9 flavors. Look at that, 9. It's like unbelievably good. Look at all this stuff. It's crazy. It's like awesome. You got all drinks you want. You got a pretty good chocolate milk. So yeah, the other side is pretty much the same. They have a couple other small differences. So yeah, it's this place. If you like food, this is the place to go. All right, guys.
I mean, if you want to...
This is what I did. Got me a double cheeseburger. Trekkie told me, my man Trekkie told me about the double cheeseburger. I didn't know they had double cheeseburgers, but they got me a double cheeseburger. You got to order it special. See, Walt says you got to order it special, and that's what we did. So we got some fries, which actually are pretty good. And this mac and cheese is like the fucking bomb right here. So that's what I got so far. Oh, wait a minute. I always start out healthy. I got a salad first. So that's how I started out. And then I go to the shit fit. This place is crazy.
Go to like that big picture and then down. Oh, that's fine.
Holiday weekend, look at the lines. My God. Thank God we're through that. We are back. We are back again on the bike. Shady Maple was delicious. Filled my belly. Got some dessert. Gotta love life.
You had some awkward moments walking around with the camera.
That was never awkward, man. I fucking enjoy. You guys can't hear what the hell's going on in my helmet. But I got Vulcan PA behind me and Trekkie Moto, and these guys are in my head. And yeah. There was no awkward moments me walking around with a camera.
When we were leaving, there was a woman in line waiting to pay who gave you a weird look and then quickly turned away because she didn't want to be filmed.
That's only because she's probably in the witness protection. It's okay. I didn't notice anybody looking at me funny, so it's alright. I didn't see it, so it didn't happen.
I didn't notice anybody not looking at me funny.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's so beautiful. I love this photo.
We're back into the beautiful fucking country. Ah, man. Back in here, guys. So we're doing a reverse of the Road Up a Ride from 2021. We're actually going to end in Valley Forge Park. So, but we're going to take a little different route today. Yes, we are. That was something I didn't expect.
See, the trouble is, you always told me to ride my own ride. Very good advice. But I ride like an arsehole.
Okay. You gotta ride your own ride, that's right. Well, you can't ride too much like an asshole. We got somebody in front of us.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was important that I feature in your video.
Okay, well, come on back up and I'll show you even more. This way I know you're coming back up.
I'm right here.
Come on, a little bit further, a little bit further. Come on, you gotta come up next to me so I can get you in. My head don't turn like that.
Oh, I was looking at the other camera.
Oh, you want to look at this camera? Okay.
Yeah, I'm right there, man. Right there.
Okay.
Yeah, let me give you a bit of forwards as well.
There you go. There's Trekkie Moto passing me. Oh, shit. How about you, Walt? You gonna come up and pass me too? So I can get you on camera?
Yeah, well, you want to take a turn here? Let me slide it over the left and then you can give it a go.
Mr. Vulcan PA coming up on his new MT-09. Yeah,
Good.
I beat him. I beat him. Hey, how you doing? Me and Walt raced on the boats and hose ride, and I beat him. Just wanted to let everybody know that. This baby right here, my slow ass Vaquero, beat an MT-09.
There's no replacement for displacement.
Alright guys, we're back. So we made it to Valley Forge. Trekkie Moto already split off with us, and I just got walked behind me. We're gonna make our way through Valley Forge and gonna head on home. So this, my friends, is where I'm gonna end this video. So check out my my links down below if you want to save 15% off some in-bike motorcycle gloves right here with coupon code GB15, and check it out if you want to save 10% off a VOSS helmet, which is coupon code GoofyBastard10. So check them out, check out my link tree, and until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe, y'all love one another, peace.